Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rock candy for kids, full guide. Start by boiling water and gradually stirring in sugar until the solution is clear and saturated. Cool the solution slightly, attach a skewer to a pencil, and dip to coat with sugar crystals. Place the jar in a warm, undisturbed spot and wait several days while crystals grow. Enjoy serving colorful sweets and explaining the simple science behind them in a fun way. Gather your materials and set up a safe workspace before you start with kids. Use a heavy saucepan for boiling and keep a heat-proof surface for the jar. Measure ingredients precisely and have clothespins ready to suspend the skewer. Prepare small bowls for colors and let kids choose flavors while you handle the hot steps. This preparation keeps the activity smooth and builds excitement before you boil and pour the syrup. Heat water and dissolve sugar gradually, stirring constantly until the syrup is glossy and saturated. After cooling slightly, stir in food coloring and flavor, then pour into jars while warm. Attach a sugar-seeded skewer with a clothespin and ensure it hangs without touching the jar sides. Place jars somewhere warm and quiet, check daily, and watch crystals grow over several days. Finish by drying and enjoying your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.